Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Tuesday, March 19th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so I'm going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, then make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did get a pretty significant little bounce off the 78% fib bounce. Kind of missed it a little, but definitely close enough for me to call a hit. So that was a pretty good bounce. Now we are about 22 hours away from the interest rate news for the dollar, and I actually think it's pretty likely it is going to set itself up for another short at the news tomorrow. The question is whether it just keeps on trending down, which I actually think is pretty likely, or whether it actually turns into like a spike reversal, which it often does at this news event, breaks structure to the upside, and if that does happen, I would definitely start looking for longs and go long and start looking for longs on shorter time frames again. So going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push down right here, which is a series of lower lows, lower highs. Definitely a nice impulsive move up. I bet this is a wave A. I bet it's going to end up probably stretching out something like this, some sort of a corrective pattern, maybe an ABC, WXY, some sort of a flat. Probably end up doing something like that prior to the news. If this thing is up at one of these fib levels at the news or right before the news, I'm probably going to go short before the news, and then the question is whether it turns into a spike reversal or whether it just keeps on trending down. Either way, I'm definitely looking for shorts in a downtrend prior to the news to see what ends up happening at the news. If it does break structure to the upside, I would definitely exit my shorts and start going long again. So don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked in the card up here above, and don't forget to check out my website linked down here in the corner. So as always, thanks and happy trading.